Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CareFirst member dashboard, secure access guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the CareFirst website. Look for the member login option on the home page. Click on the member login button. You will be redirected to the CareFirst member dashboard login page. In the username field, enter your registered username. Next, find the password field. Enter your password carefully. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if needed. After entering your username and password, double-check for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Login button. You will be directed to your CareFirst member dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check for any error messages. Follow the instructions provided in any error messages. If you're still having trouble, consider calling CareFirst customer support for assistance. Make sure to log out once you finish your session for security purposes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.